Artificial intelligence is no longer just something of science fiction. It is rapidly becoming a part of our everyday lives. Now, this got me thinking about artificial intelligence and what is to come. I want to ensure that I'm staying up to date on all these powerful tools and utilizing them in my business. And I want to be able to help you do the same. In this video, I'm going to give you practical ways that you can implement artificial intelligence in your business. The primary AI that we're going to be looking at in this video is called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful chatbot AI that can be utilized as a search engine or to help you come up with stuff from scratch. The first way that you can utilize ChatGPT in your Amazon business is to help you build out your listings. SEO and making sure that your listings are well optimized is extremely crucial for your product success on Amazon, and GPT can help you come up with titles, key details, descriptions, keywords, and all around help you build a well optimized for SEO product listing. So let's say I have a coffee product that I'm selling on Amazon, a bag of coffee, and I want GPT to help me come up with a well-optimized listing. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a title, key details, and description, and we'll see what it comes up with. And you can see here that it's able to generate pretty quickly everything that you asked it for, and you could elaborate on these further, you could condense them, or whatever you want ChatGPT to do, you could ask it to do that. Now, I also want to come up with good keywords and make sure that those are included in my copy and also have them in the back end. And you can see that GPT generated tons of keywords that we could ensure are included in our copy and also on the back end. This is a product listing for one of my products on Amazon that ChatGPT actually helped me create. ChatGPT helped me optimize my title, came up with the description, and helped me come up with these key details that we were able to apply to all of our products in the Alpha Candles brand on Amazon. So I hope that shows that there is a real use case and how this was able to successfully help me, and hopefully you can implement it as well. The next thing that ChatGPT can help us out with is product promotion. Whenever you're first launching a product, and honestly throughout your whole journey selling products on Amazon, you need to ensure that you're promoting them in order to capture sales. This is going to apply more so to people who are launching new products than it is to arbitrage and wholesale sellers, but it can still be useful to understand this tip. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help me come up with ways that I can promote my Amazon product. Now ChatGPT helped me come up with 10 different ways that I can promote my products. I can read through and see if any of them are good that I want to expand upon. And I really like this reach out to influencers. What I'm going to do is have ChatGPT help me come up with specific influencers and specific outreach examples. In this case, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to come up with some specific influencers on Instagram for my candle line. ChatGPT 3 was being difficult, so I decided to upgrade to ChatGPT 4. I asked it to come up with a specific list of influencers that I could reach out to promote my candle products on Amazon. And it came up with these 5 influencers that I could reach out to. Now let's say I want to reach out to Joanna Gaines. Now ChatGPT is going to generate an outreach letter that I can send to this influencer in hopes of getting them to promote my candles. Now ChatGPT came up with a very lengthy script that provides a lot of details, but I would most likely be reaching out through Instagram, so I want to see if GPT can come up with something shorter. And now we have something a lot more brief that we could just hit up Joanna with in an Instagram DM. And this was just one of many promotion ideas that GPT came up with. We could have expanded on all of those, but we're going to go ahead and move on to the next way GPT can help you. Another way that ChatGPT can help you in your Amazon business is responding to customer inquiries and having a better management system for your customer service. ChatGPT can help you come up with SOPs or standard operating procedures, hand off to your team members, and can also help you or your team have specific responses for customer messages. So let's say we have an angry customer that claims that their order arrived damaged and they want a refund. Here I asked ChatGPT to respond to this customer message, and it came up with something that we could essentially copy and paste. We'll want to tweak it a little bit, but to reply it to that customer in order to make it right. This just shows the idea of how you could utilize this, and you could really enter any kind of customer message here and use ChatGPT to respond to it. ChatGPT could also help you come up with just SOPs and general responses that your team is going to use for any kind of customer complaint or inquiry. ChatGPT can also be super helpful for helping you optimize already existing listings. I found a listing here that is not well optimized at all, and in turn it's just not performing well. They don't have good key details, there is no description down below, so we're going to see what ChatGPT would do for this listing to help optimize it. So what I'm going to do is take the ASIN from Amazon, give it to ChatGPT, and help to optimize. Now, keep in mind that ChatGPT only has information up to a certain point, so it's going to be looking back at the listing for the most recent data that it has. If you have ChatGPT 4, then it goes all the way up to September of 2021. So let's start with the title. I want to make sure that this title is going to be well optimized for the listing. So I'm going to copy the title and take it over to ChatGPT. And it's going to come up with several other ideas for new words that I could potentially include in the title. I also notice here that the product doesn't have really any good key details. It just says storage. So let's ask ChatGPT to come up with some good key details for this product. Now ChatGPT is getting to work on creating us a description and the potential key detail bullet points that we could use on the listing. And we could ask GPT to expand on this further, but already we have a great starting point, and these alone are better than nothing, which the listing currently has. You can utilize this to optimize any listing that you come across, your own or potentially others if you have the ability to edit them. ChatGPT can help you identify these new potential suppliers and create a powerful script to help ensure that you're able to lock in that account and actually purchase inventory from them. So I started off by asking ChatGPT to help me find some wholesale suppliers for my Amazon FBA business. And here's what it told me. It showed me these 5 ways that I could go about finding potential new suppliers, but I wasn't satisfied. I wanted to see some specific suppliers that I can open up accounts with today. So I asked ChatGPT to help name a few specific wholesale distributors in the Midwest. I'm located in the Midwest region, and I wanted GPT to help me find some nearby me that I could actually open up accounts with. So ChatGPT listed a few distributors that I could look into. One big struggle with wholesale for Amazon is that a lot of distributors or brands might not like working with Amazon sellers. So I asked GPT if they are known to work with Amazon sellers. ChatGPT didn't really know. I figured I would just move on and have GPT help me come up with a script for how I can hopefully close these accounts. So I asked it, can you draft a script for what I should say when I call them? And then ChatGPT came up with several options. And then from there, you could have it insert more specific information or fine tune these scripts further. Now, depending on your outreach method, you could have GPT come up with a phone call or an email or any other kind of outreach that you do. That way it's well optimized for the method that you're actually using. Now, phone calls are generally better for opening up these accounts, but let's see if ChatGPT can come up with an email script for this Midwest Trading Group Inc. in Cleveland, Ohio. Okay, so I like what it's coming up with here, but this is just like way too long and we need to get it shorter and straight to the point. So I'm going to ask GPT to make this shorter. We're getting closer, but another red flag for me is that we're telling them right away that we're Amazon FBA sellers. I don't want to hide this fact from them, but I also don't need to go around announcing it. And now we have a really solid email script available, and we can fine tune this even more for what our specific needs are. The same logic can apply to any phone scripts or any other kind of outreach for your Amazon wholesale business. That was 5 of really limitless ways that ChatGPT and AI can help you grow your Amazon business. Hopefully you can use these as starting points and actually implement them in your business. But also come up with your own ways that you're going to be using GPT, and let me know down below how you're going to utilize AI in your Amazon business. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.